So welcome to my Power BI series. If you are looking to master Power BI from scratch, you are in the right place. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to enhance your data analysis skill, this series will guide you step by step. So each video will be short, simple, and packed with useful information. By the end of this series, you will have the skills to confidently analyze and visualize data using Power BI. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So in this video is about Power BI basics, like what is Power BI and how we can install Power BI in your desktop. So let me just explain what is Power BI in a simple manner. So Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft. It helps you visualize data, create reports, and share insights across your organization. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, Power BI makes data analysis simple and interactive. So, how before going into how we can install Power BI in your desktop, so let me give you little introduction or background about where this Power BI is getting used in the current scenario. If you take any of the MNCs, mostly Power BI is used in industries like finance, marketing, and healthcare to make data-driven decisions. Whether you are tracking sales performance or monitoring customer behavior or analyzing operational efficiency, Power BI has you covered. So let's get started how we can install this Power BI desktop in your laptop. So you just have to follow the steps which I mentioned in the slide. So there are two ways to install. I'll show you both the ways. Like one is directly searching in the Google, like the Power BI desktop download. So you'll get a link to download and you can install it in your system. So just let me open my browser. Uh, Download. So once you search download Microsoft Power BI desktop. So you have an option like first link, which will take you to the page where you can download the Microsoft Power BI desktop in your PC by clicking on this download button. Like 64-bit or 32-bit you select and then you click download. So you will get an file which is down which you will get an downloaded file. Then which the second option which I was telling Power BI download to Microsoft Store. So once you click on this link, it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. So which I have already downloaded. So either you can open your browser and search through the link which I have mentioned first, or open the Microsoft Store and search for Power BI Desktop, and you will get an app to download. So I have my Microsoft Power BI Desktop downloaded already. So through the link which I have mentioned here before. So let me take you through how we can install it. So just double click on the application file which you have downloaded and click run. So select the language which you want to choose. So I keep it in English only. So click next and yes. So click next and accept the terms and conditions next. So next and install. So I have already installed in my system. So I'm just taking it till the end of the process. Then you install it. Then I'll just open how it looked like once you complete the installation. Like uh, the interface for the interface. Let me just open for the desktop. Yeah, so once you are done with your installation, like you downloaded from the link which I have mentioned, I'll give you this description of this video also, the downloadable link. So once you're done with the download and installation, then the Power BI interface will look like this in the home page. Then, like if you click on a blank report, so here actually where we make the visualization report. Actually, this is called the canvas, so where we create the reports, interactive dashboards, and everything. So we will dive into how to connect data and build your first report in the upcoming videos. So until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. So see you in the next video. Thank you.